the baby. That'll be traumatic if we cut a baby.
This is not great risk management.
No.
No.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Back up, back up.
Back up, because something.
Back up, everybody. Yeah. You won't go straight through the. You won't go straight. You won't go through the uterus. Just go on in.
Try to cut it like a gill.
Hard. It's thick and it's inside the uterus too, so you got to go in there.
You know all about uteruses. Maybe you should.
I'm a dermatologist. You don't want me to.
Well, see, then you want to do this. You cut moles off it.
No, I just think if we could save
There.
her,
Well, there you go.
It'll be
We're about to find out.
Her baby.
No, I don't know. What's that? That looks like organs. That doesn't look like any pregnancy stuff.
Well, something's moving. He's right.
I think you should cut the, like the middle of the stomach.
You should keep going. Kelly, you want to take control here?
Oh.
Reaching down. Yeah. You need to get a medical school.
Yeah.
Dad came down here.
I know. I'm like,
I'm leaving.
oh man, I think that'd be cool if we could get a baby back in the ocean.
Whoa! Oh gosh. Oh wait! What was in that thing? Oh!
I don't think there's a baby in there.
That's intestine.
What's that? Is that like a liver or gallbladder? It's like a tire.
Yeah, let's also look at it while we're here.
I
It's
hope
a
there
license
aren't like
plate.
shark to human communicable diseases.
I hope
No, I know.
it's all fat.
Let's see if it moves again.
Where's the...
just a fish. Wait, is that an egg? Well, at least
I don't think there's a baby in there, buddy.
Well, I see something that's...
Well, wouldn't there be like the baby wouldn't just be in there? It'd be in a sack,
It'd be in
not
a
like
sack.
a placenta.
Yeah, you got...
Could this be it?
Yeah.
Well, gee, you went to med school and I got.
Oh,
my...
yeah, that might be it.
That might be it.
Oh wow, hold on, let me see that.
Oh, it's a baby. Oh, gosh. You're so video. Oh, water.
Yeah, I'm videotaping.
I'm not scared. The baby probably is not fully developed yet.
Whoa!
There's a baby.
It is a baby.
How do we get it out? Doctor, you want to do this? Come on, you signed up. What are you afraid of? Are you afraid of like a Good Samaritan law in Georgia? Come on, you can do this.
I'm with you. I'm morally supporting you.
Well, great. Back up, everybody.
Yeah, back up. Get him back.
Yeah,
Because if I got to move this knife,
You think it's what?
Under
It looked like it was under everything.
Yeah, I did.
It's under all the...
we got a
If
lot of
it's anything.
consultants and only one surgeon.
Yeah.
If you
That's
haven't
right.
noticed that.
This way you get credit for it all.
Yeah.
Well, I'm
Good
not
or
sure-
bad.
I'm not sure I really want to save a shark, to be honest.
Come on, Nate.
No, I don't. I got kids.
Yeah, how about that? I don't know.
My father was attacked by a shark.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm very serious.
Well, you should get... This is probably good
You gotta
for Zealand.
stab it when it
There
comes
was a
out.
shark about this size.
Oh, no.
Oh. Yeah, there's something.
Oh, he is in there, y'all.
There are more than one. Back up.
There are?
I think so.
I see a pink thing in there.
You know, I'm about to say, just cut that off.
This is
And,
like a C-section.
Let's go on a beach walk.
A C-section.
Yeah. That sounds so weird.
Oh my gosh, this could be.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
Back up, kids. Back up. All kids, back up.
All adults, all idiots that are cutting on a shark back up.
This is science. It is.
I might send this to Coach Smith.
Yeah, he will be so excited.
yeah.
This
he
is
would
like
love
Uncle
that.
Phil on Duck Dynasty.
Yeah. I'm sure right there's a baby.
That's it.
That would be it.
Wow!
Don't get bitten, though.
There's more than one. Hold on.
She's so proud of herself.
Let me get it back in the ocean.
Congratulations!
It's a boy.
You're a father.
It might be like a preemie. I don't know if it'll make it.
It's viable. I mean, it's going now.
Gosh,
Pretty big. It's not that
That's
big.
his head. That's his
No,
head
that's the
here.
tail down there.
Oh,
Ah! That's the head. Woo!
I thought it was.
Golly!
Let's get him back. Okay.
Yeah, that's the shark.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at it!
That's another head. That's two
another
of them in
head.
there. I was about to say
I
there's
think
two
there are
of
like
them.
4 sharks in here.
Yeah, but the only one's moving is right there. I wouldn't even worry
Pour a
about
little water on him.
Let me just.
Try to
I
grab
don't
it in the
want
middle.
it pliable.
Get
Hold
this,
on.
get it.
Just cut that whole.
Holy crap!
I cannot believe this is happening.
Roll, maybe you can roll the shark.
Oh!
it.
That's
so cute. Okay, get it. Oh my God! Daddy, thank you.
That did not just happen. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
That's fine. You're fine. Let him go. He's okay. You're all right.
Please don't get.
Oh, there's more movement going on.
I'm glad I came down here.
Like, we'll speak to you.
Okay, that just happened.
That's giant.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
I think that was long. Did you see it?
Yep. Yeah.
The wave will turn him. That way.
There's another
That's
one.
another one.
Yeah.
That one looks dead.
Yeah. Okay, we'll like two wild
Good
songs.
job. Good job.
Hang on.
Now I think that
You're
was
Kirsty or what?
Back up.
I don't know if that one's
free.
gonna-
Look at all this horn.
Golly, that's all. I don't.
I never thought.
Yeah. Oh, he's still moving.
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That was it. I can't even tell. Oh, great. That song was actually good. You ain't die.
Beth, no. Beth.
Are there any more?
No.
Back in, are you?
I'm going back in.
Is that it?
There went your knife. You're never using that knife again.
Can I just shut it off?
No, you can't go in the water.
That's it.